In the corridors of Ntuzuma Magistrates Court, a family stands divided by accusations that shake the very foundation of blood bonds. Three relatives, a father, son and daughter, face charges that transform a household dispute into a community crisis. Sibongiseni Kunene, a municipal CCTV operator who monitors the city's safety, now finds himself monitored by the justice system. His children, Siyabonga and Amanda, stand beside him, all accused of taking the life of their own relative, 31-year-old Sphiwe Ndlanzi. The catalyst, an alleged stolen firearm. The consequence, a death that has torn through more than one family. Outside the courthouse, over 100 residents have spoken with unified voice, demanding these accused remain behind bars. Their memorandum reflects a community grappling with a disturbing question. When families become perpetrators, who protects the innocent?
And it's almost for us improvement with Mahambe about justice because in the ways in sugar cool,
The investigating officer warns of witness intimidation, a concern that cuts deeper when alleged criminals and potential witnesses share the same bloodline, the same dinner table, the same memories. Each defendant claims innocence, yet the community's anger tells a different story. As Thursday's bail decision approaches, this case exposes uncomfortable truths about violence that begins at home and radiates outward, challenging everything we believe about family loyalty and justice. Sometimes the greatest threat comes from those closest to us.
Court proceedings anamhlanje noma engekho 100% but sijabulela ukuthi angeke baphume beze emphakathini. So i-state nangendlela esikhulume ngayo siyajabula kakhulu nalokho besicabanga ukuthi kuyi-dishonest abakushoyo kuma-affidavit awo, i-state sikwazile ukuthi sibe able ukuthi sikuhlakaze lokho, sikuveze ukuthi ubufakazi nokuthi abadeserve ukuthi babuyele emphakathini noma engaba bezi vele la sihlala khona, but they will still be out there and lokho kungenzeka ukuthi kugcine singayitholanga i-justice for ubhuti wethu. So kungcono mangabe bengaphakathi sifisa ukuthi badinaye i-bail, bahlalele ngaphakathi ejele up until kuze kufike lapho inkantolo ethatha khona isinqumo mayelana nesenzo lesabasenzile.